Does the thought of being your own boss and earning in dollars, making 100% profit sounds impossible to you? I used to think so until I found a blueprint that made it achievable. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's a proven step by step system that's designed to help you build a sustainable online business. You learn how to use attraction marketing, automation, and scalable strategies to create real results. Even if you're starting from scratch with no experience or being tech savvy. Imagine what life could look like at the end of the year if you start today. Less financial stress, more freedom, and a business that works for you instead of the other way around. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity. Comment "Let's go" now to check out what this opportunity can do for you.